Okay, on this problem we are asked to factor. Now our basic factoring strategy starts by factoring any greatest common factors out. There are no y's in the last term, so there's no variable greatest common factor. The first term is odd and the last term is even. Made up of 2's, so there's no number greatest common factor. The first term is also not negative, so we wouldn't factor out a negative. So the greatest common factor doesn't yield any results. Now this one has 3 terms. Now the typical answer for 3-termed objects is factoring into 2 binomials. Let's see, 15. Let's try 15y and y. Now I'm pretty sure this isn't going to work. 1 and 8. And pluses. I want to demonstrate what guessing something like this yields about information about the problem. So if I wanted to check this answer, I would have to FOIL. Now the first product is 15y squared. Bingo! Got the first one right. The last product is 8. Positive 8. Excellent. We're 2 for 3. But now comes the hard part. In guessing factoring a trinomial, the first product and the last product are practically given. They're so easy to come up with factors of 15. We could have gone with 5 and 3 as well. And 8, we could have gone in 4 and 2 as well. So there's lots of ways to guess those, but it's really easy to get the first and the last right. The hard parts are the outer and inner products. The outer product here is 15 times 8, which is 120, I believe. 120y. And the inner product is y. And they are like terms, and they add up to 121y. Well, we missed that out. So this is not the correct answer, but we see that it's easy to guess the first and the last factors to work out. The hard part is guessing the outer and inner. I call these the mixture products. We have to get the correct mixture. So I want to demonstrate, rewrite this, a way that you can go by trial and error a little more efficiently than writing this down and checking all the way through. So we're trying to come up with a factoring. And 15 and 1 and 1 and 8 are ways that I can make 15 and 8. And those will verify, and we can see, as we've done before, that that gets the first and the last product correct. But that's not really the hard part. The hard part is this middle product. So let's check the outer and inner products. The outer product, that would be the 120, and the inner product would be the 1, and that will not get the right mixture, because we want 26. Okay, let's switch these around. So it's 8. Let's try that again. It's a little messy. I'm going to erase. There we go. 8 and 1. Let's try this mixture product. The outer would be 15, and the inner would be 8. And that adds up to 23. That's closer, but still not right. Okay, so let's try for 15. Let's try 5 and 3. Okay, now we can still do this one to see if it works. Outer, 40, inner, 3. That won't be 26. We can do this one. Outer, 5, inner, 24. That also won't give us 26. Let's generate another combination over here, like 4 and 2. Okay, let's try these. Outer, 10, inner, 12. That would make 22. You can try these as well. 30 and 4. Now that could give 26. That's potential. I really didn't need to write 15 and 1 twice. I want to do one more of the 2 and the 4. Let's try these. 20 and 6. All right, we have 2 combinations that work, so I'm going to try them both. at least two combinations that appear to work. So we had the 15, let's see, which one was it? It was this, 15, 30, and 4 is 26. So we had 15, y, and 4 and 2 in the exact order that seemed to work out. And that would be 30 and 4. In order to make 26 out of that, we need positive 30 and minus 4. But the problem is the last product is negative 8, and we need positive 8. So that one actually doesn't work. What in the world was that? There we go. That was crazy. Okay, so it gave us negative 8. The other combination is this one. That was 20 and 6. So in the same order, 5y and 3y, and 2 and 4. I'm having so much fun with this. There we go. Finding new tools that I'm not sure how I'm using them. All right, let's try this out. So we have first product, 15y squared. We're sticking with these numbers. That's right. Last product, 8. We're sticking with these numbers. So that's right. Again, to speed this process up, check your inner and outer products. 20y and 6y. If they were both positive, they would add up to 26y, which is what we want. And the last product, this case, is positive 8. That is the mixture that works. Okay, so this process can happen much faster the more you practice. So I'm going to do this problem over one more time and show you a little faster result. Okay, so 15. I like to start with the numbers that are closest together for factors. So not 15 and 1, but 5 and 3. And 8, same thing. I'm going to go with 4 and 2 and try this out. Outer product, 10. Inner product, 12. Didn't give 26. Let's switch this one around. Outer product, 20. Inner product, 6. That should work. Let's try it out. So sticking in the same order that seemed to work, 5y and 3y and 2 and 4. To make 20 and 6 get to 26, they both need to be positive. You can now check your first product, your outer and inner, and your last product being 8, and realize that you have factored this problem. So just writing down the factors, start with the numbers closest together in size, and then just do outer and inner until you get the right mixture, can greatly speed up your process in factoring trinomials. Hope this has helped.